Hi, this video is all about version statuses. So when you're in the dashboard view, navigate to the system settings via your user and click on version statuses. You will see there are how does it work 1, 2, 3, where you can deactivate or activate certain version statuses. You can change the color as appropriate, and you can also add a new one by clicking at the top right hand side of the screen. I'm just going to add a new one called Under Review. And assign it a color. So those are the 4 active version statuses any of your artworks can hold. Cheers and have a good day.